Welcome back to Western York Living. Okay, admit it, you thought we were going to get through this winter without the harsh cold, the snow, the winter conditions, the wind. Wrong as every year, right? Winter is inevitable here in Buffalo. But how's your home holding up? How about the roof? How's it doing on the outside? Well, that's why we have Mike Washington here from Ivy League Construction to talk about the exterior of your home and the importance of keeping it up. Mike, good to see you.
Good to see you, Kev. Thanks for having us back.
All right, so let's talk about roofs. Now, it's important for people to keep up on their roof and its condition, especially with everything we've faced here in the last couple of weeks. What should they be looking for, and how can you help?
Well, it's really a good time to actually get out and inspect your roof. Obviously, I know the winter is cold. No one wants to go outside, but it's actually a good time to be able to get out, really see if there's anything going around and having any problems with your roof. Areas you're looking at is up at the ridge. You want to make sure that there's a nice even ridge line up there. You want to take a look around your chimneys or your flashing details where it meets a sidewall or even at skylights, just to make sure there's no, number one, water infiltration. Number two, the thing we're always talking about with our clients is to get outside and to look to see if they have any large gutters at their gutter lines. If you had a 6-inch or a foot icicle, that's pretty common. You can get that with just heat loss from the sun, right? Now, if you have 2, 3, 4-foot icicles, they're touching the ground, there's definitely a heat loss issue going on. So in conjunction with the roof, we're always talking about looking at insulation levels inside of the attics to make sure they're insulated properly so you're not losing a ton of energy and really just money going through your roof right outside into the air, evaporating.
Yeah, if the icicles look like it belongs in National Geographic, then you've got a real big problem on your hands. I'm sure. Let's talk about shingles on the roof because shingles matter, right? And it matters the kind of shingles, and I know you guys put high quality shingles on at Ivy League Construction.
Yeah, you really want to make sure that you're getting a name brand shingle. The shingle itself, actually, in the olden days, they used to go by weight. Now they go by year. So the warranty that we actually put out is a 50-year non-prorated warranty on all of our shingle products, on all of our roof jobs. Includes everything from disposal to waste. If there's a problem with that roof at all, for 50 years, it's non-prorated. So it's not like, hey, you have a warranty and it's worth $200 in 30, 40, 50 years from now. You're buying this roof once. You want to do it right. You want to make sure that all the flashing details are done, all the underlayment is proper, the ice and water shields put in the right areas, and really to make sure you're going with a good shingle. The CertainTeed product we use actually is the only manufacturer that publishes weight. It's 250 pounds per square for the standard 50-year warranty. And no one else is even talking about weight anymore, which is a super important thing in shingles. If you talk to a roofer 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago, that's all they would talk about was weight. How heavy are the shingles? Because that's what's going to keep them on your house in a high wind and in harsh winter weather. That's what you really need. You need to have that proper weight there.
Gutters and downspouts. Let's talk about those. Perhaps an often overlooked spot for homeowners.
Yeah, absolutely. It's also another time when we're up taking a look at the insulation, we're taking a look at the roof, we're taking a look at the gutters. We have gutter protection that we install on tons of our projects out there. There's a 10-year warranty on it that it won't clog at all. If it does, you call us out, we come right out, clean out the gutter again. That includes pine needles, anything small. Gutters and downspouts are also a really good thing to be taking a look at this time of year. If you get outside and you see large icicles hanging off your gutter, they're going to get pulled out of the house. Today, the fasteners use, it's called a hidden hanger. It's actually a screw application that goes into a 45 into the fascia. So literally, it will hold on better than any spike and furrow system out there. And that's really a small detail, but a very important detail, especially if you have heat loss going on and producing large icicles on your house. It's dangerous. You have all this weight sitting on the edge of your roof that could come off, and you don't know when it's going to come off. If someone's underneath, or a car, or there's, you have damage to your home. You got to be real careful with that.
Yeah, roof, gutters, insulation, they all work together. Windows too, that we didn't get to today. But let's talk about financing options because these are investments in your home, and you're here to help people with those investments and financing it.
Absolutely. We have tons of different options of financing. One thing that NYSERDA, it's a program through the state we actually participate with through the BPI program. There's actually up to $5,000 or $10,000 for multifamily homes. They're assisted home performance, it's called. So they will pay for half of your insulation or energy saving products in your house, up to 5,000 for a single family, 10,000 for a double, up to a 4-family. A lot of people will talk to me about that. They'll say, what are their criterias? Where are they? And actually, they just upped, and they're going to be there to June, middle of June, they will expire. So right now is a really good time to get in on that. And it's up to 100%, 120% of the mean income of all of New York State. On our website, there's actually Erie County, Niagara that we service, that we can show you how many people in your home will dictate how much money that you can actually make in that home. And it's just income. If you're on a retirement, or it's not how much money you have in the bank, it's not how much your house is worth, it's actually income by year. So that's something really interesting, and that's out there for another 5 months. We really want people to participate in. So give us a call, we can walk you through that. And then we also have 0% financing. We have some 48-month out right now. We have some 24-month out right now. So we have tons of options to help you out to make the job affordable. At the same time, really get to your home to look and see, hey, what do you need? Some people don't need insulation because it's done properly. They just need a roof. Some people need roof and gutter. Some people need all of them. So we really want to get out, see you. Give us a call today.
All right. Yeah, great information there, Mike, to help you do that. Ivy League Construction is the most trusted name in home improvement. Let them help you out. Find out about all those great services and financing programs. Head to the website, ivyleagueconstruction.com, or give them a call, 875-8654. They offer great financing options, as Mike talked about. All right, don't go anywhere.